Would you be afraid if this happened on your flight? Ever wondered how the shortest takeoff looks like? Watch this Boeing Dreamlifter losing a wheel. This guy is literally living in 3050.
I'm going.
Watch this man saving the day.
Gonna hit the airplane. Here it goes. That's how you do it.
Can someone explain what he is doing?
It's right now off to Santander. Oh no, where's he going? He's off to cut the grass, isn't he? What's he doing? Wow. Joyrider.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and let me know what you want to see next.